Have you ever felt like you're just drowning in project work? Like the project is running you instead of the other way around? Well, if that sounds familiar, you're going to want to see this. Today, we're diving into PMBOK, an AI platform that's looking to completely change the game of project management. Let's see how.
Okay, so let's set the stage. I think every project manager knows this feeling, that you're just stuck. Stuck in what we can call the project management trap. I mean, it's the big question, right? The one that hangs over every single status meeting. With all this incredible technology we have, why does just keeping a project on track still feel like such an uphill battle?
Well, here's the honest answer. For most of us, it's basically organized chaos. You're juggling a million different tools, and you're buried in endless spreadsheets. The plans are fuzzy, the schedules are so fragile that one little change just shatters everything. And don't even get me started on the cost estimates and the risks. They just seem to come out of nowhere. It really feels like you're constantly just putting out fires.
And you know what it really boils down to? The tools we're using just haven't kept up. They were never built for the kind of speed and, frankly, the complexity that we deal with every single day.
So what's the fix? Well, that's where PMBOK comes in. And trust me, it's a totally different way of thinking about this whole problem.
So this is PMBOK. And let's be clear, this is not just another empty spreadsheet or a blank canvas tool you have to build from the ground up. Nope, this is an AI-powered platform that's actually built on the professional frameworks from the Project Management Institute. What that means is you're starting with industry best practices baked right in, instead of just staring at a blank screen.
And that's the key difference. This isn't some minor update to a tool you already know. PMBOK was literally built from scratch with one single purpose: to fix this mess.
All right, let's get into the good stuff, because this is where things get really, really cool. How does it actually do all this? Well, it all kicks off with AI-powered planning.
Okay, check this out. Before you even write a single task, PMBOK makes you take a step back and ask the right questions. It uses this built-in framework to make sure the project is even a good idea in the first place, that it's aligned with your goals before you start burning cash and time on it. It's all about starting smart.
Then, the AI does something brilliant. It focuses on the people. It intelligently maps out every single stakeholder, your sponsors, your team, your end users, so you know exactly who's involved and what they need right from day one. No more surprises down the line.
And here, this is the real game changer. Once it gets the why and the who, PMBOK's AI generates a complete PMI-aligned project plan, and it does it in minutes. Just think about that for a second. Your entire scope, your schedule, risk management, comms plan, all of it built for you.
But look, it doesn't just stop at planning. That's just the beginning. The platform is designed to be your co-pilot for the entire ride.
And it sticks to the professional playbook, from kicking things off in initiation and getting the plan right, all the way through controlling the work and closing it out properly. PMBOK is there for every single phase.
And the best part? It's all integrated. Every single piece of data flows into this one intelligent platform. This gives you these incredible real-time dashboards where you can see everything: cost performance, schedule adherence, you name it. It gives you the clarity you need to actually control the project.
Okay, so let's bring this all home. What does this actually mean for you, your team, your whole organization? Well, simply put, it means you can finally start delivering with real confidence.
When you have this kind of AI-driven approach, you can plan projects in a fraction of the time. You can get way more accurate with your costs and schedules. You can actually optimize your resources and get ahead of risks. It all boils down to one simple, powerful thing: delivering even the most complex projects with total confidence.
Look, this isn't just about a better Gantt chart. This is a fundamental shift, the future of how we manage work. It really does start right here. So, the only real question left is, are you ready to start building that future?
PMBOK. This isn't just project management anymore. This is AI-powered project intelligence.